and the state's positivity rate surged to 3.23%. That's the highest rate we've had in more than 6 weeks. Channel 3 spoke with an expert about this recent uptick in cases. And Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Roger Susanna joins us now live to break down some of that expert's advice. What did he have to say, Roger?
Hey, good morning, Nicole. You know, we sat down with UNH epidemiologist, and he had a lot to say. He told us the rise in COVID numbers, it's really not all that surprising. We don't need to panic, but it is a reminder that the virus will continue to be a real concern for a long time ahead. The spike in our state's positivity rate comes as many towns are removing mask mandates, and an increasing number of people seem comfortable going out more frequently in public. University of New Haven epidemiologist Anthony Santella believes those factors are tied to the recent uptick in COVID cases.
I think the bigger picture of going back to work, going back to school, traveling, being a little lazy when it comes to, physical distancing and mask wearing, all those things are, kind of creeping up to the top now.
Dr. Santella says although there are causes for concerns, in many ways we are still moving in the right direction. Right now, nationwide, more than 70% of adults are fully vaccinated, according to the CDC. But we're not out of the woods yet. Dr. Santella advises that even if your area does not have a mask mandate, you should still wear one anytime you are going to encounter unvaccinated people or are in an area where you can't easily avoid crowds, particularly before the Thanksgiving holiday.
Especially in a state like Connecticut, where travel is so easy between counties where people live and work and go to school and observe faith, etc. Those boundaries don't mean much. And so, when one city or one county does something very different from everywhere else, it really sends mixed signals.
And Dr. Santella also advises folks to be careful when they're out celebrating Thanksgiving later this month. We'll share a few of his basic safety tips coming up a little bit later this hour. Roger Suzanne in Channel 3 Eyewitness News.